Hello YouTubers. In this video I thought I would cover an issue that people have with the Camaro, and that's visibility. I'm going to get into a deeper video of visibility later. I'm going to cover the science of the visibility, meaning I'm going to get into the numbers. Things like from this point here to this point here, how much room is that? And then compare that to the Mustang. I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. I'm going to give you all the numbers. How high is the door off the ground compared to the Mustang? So for those of you who have an issue with the belt line being too high, compare that to the Mustang versus comparing the window size, the window height to the Mustang. Now we all agree that the numbers are not going to be great, but they're not going to be shockingly out of balance to your competitor Mustang. So that'd be it for another video. But in this video, I thought I would cover the blind spot mirrors. This car is a 2SS, and not all of them are. So, you know, people have issues with seeing off to the sides. I think if you set the mirrors right, and you won't have that problem. But I'm one of those that like to have a lot of information, so I mounted the little 2-inch blind spot mirrors over there. So first, setting the mirrors. When you set your mirrors, you're not trying to see the side of your car. So if this is what you're trying to see riding down the road, you're in the wrong place. You should be like this. What is beside my car? What's coming up beside me? And that's where mine is set. I want to see what's coming up beside me. I don't care to see the body of my car. That's irrelevant to me. I want to be like this. So I mounted these two blind spot mirrors that get even more information off to the sides of the car. And I mounted them, and I bought these guys right here. I'll put a link to them below. But they rotate around, so you can kind of set them where you want them. Excuse me, where you can kind of set them where you want them, but they move around. So if you were to wash the car or whatever, they're going to move. To avoid that problem, once you get it where you like it, all I did was put a little Gorilla Glue on it. Hopefully that's coming up clear. Set it where you want it. Put a little Gorilla Glue drop on it, where it's already where it's mounted, and it ain't going nowhere. Wash it, do whatever you want to with it. The mirror's going nowhere, and now you've got a 2-inch blind spot mirror, and it's not obscuring your blind spot warning for those of you with the 2SS model. So hopefully this covers some issues that you're having with your blind spot mirrors or your mirrors setting up. Again, don't set your mirrors so that you're looking at the side of your car riding down the road or whatever. It's supposed to be like this. And then your blind spot mirrors are to see even further. For me, I can see what's right here in space. So if a car's coming up right here, I can see them in that mirror. And that's the way I like it. I want to know what's beside me, what's coming up right up on me. Because these things here, this is how it should be, and then those to the side. Anyway, hopefully this video is helpful for you, how to set up your blind spot mirrors. Buy those that you can rotate around, set them how you want them, and then just drop a couple of drops of Gorilla Glue and you're going to be good. And then it won't go anywhere. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.